Yep, it's on. Big box in front of me. I have a little drinky drink. I've literally just come from work and I found this waiting for me and I'm excited. I'm also snacking on almonds because I haven't had something to eat since like 1 p.m. It's now 7:29. It's an unboxing, y'all. About 3 weeks, about 3.5 weeks, maybe a month, no, 3.5 weeks ago, I went to the Fashionphile page. If you don't know what Fashionphile is, I'll tell you a little bit. Fashionphile is a pre-loved luxury website. So they sell a lot of luxury stuff that has been owned by other people and they resell them. I have never bought from them before, although I have bought pre-loved stuff. Pre-loved is basically mutumba. You know, something I've used and I sell it and now it becomes to someone else. Brand new, yeah. So I have bought before and I was very happy because, well, I can talk about this in another video, but basically you get a good deal rather than buying retail, like direct from the store. Anyway, one night, I'm sure it was way past my bedtime, I was on the website just scrolling, and then boom, I saw her and I was like, you are gonna be mine. Confess it, you possess it. So anyway, this is my first ever Fashionphile unboxing and I'm super excited. I don't know if you can guess what this is. I'm sure you know it's a handbag because, well, Fashionphile sell a lot of things. They sell shoes, handbags, scarves, jewelry, name it, watches, everything under the luxury sun they sell. So I couldn't wait to like get dressed up and do this video. I just did it as is. I'm too excited, I'm too eager to see what it looks like. All right. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my god. So thumbs up this video if you have no issues buying pre-loved stuff. I have no, okay, we have confetti. I have no issues buying pre-loved stuff, whether it's luxury or not. I just have no issue. If it's good condition and I want it, I don't care where it came from. Anyway, so this is the box. This is just my address, so you won't see that. And my box comes with the Fashionphile thingy. Logo. I'm excited. Okay, I think I'm more excited with this purchase than I was with my brand new Louis Vuitton unboxing. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast because what if it's just hideous? Okay, anyway, so this is the box. Comes like that. We have we have something. Okay, wait, first let me show you. So it looks like that. Fashionphile branded all over, and it has confetti, lots and lots of confetti. There we are. The box is stuffed pretty nicely, and then it comes with some goodies. Let me just remove those first. So I see some goodies. It comes with a nail file. It comes with a nail file that just says, let me just show you this. It comes with a nail file like that says, I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Okay, that's nice, that's cute. Then it also has this card which says thank you. I'm sure it's thank you for purchasing. And then it has this envelope that is sealed. Oh, there's something else. It's a certificate, so it says Fashionphile certified. There we are. Fashionphile was number 8 in the most googled fashion companies. So number 8 most Google so it's number 8 most googled fashion company of 2018. Wow. And then there's just more stuff here. So we want this bag back. Cash for your bag. Oh, so you have this thing. So I think they're just telling you that they sell. Shop, sell, repeat. Fashionphile. And they're in Beverly Hills, San Francisco, San Diego, New York. And then there's more confetti. Okay, so where's my receipt, yo? Need my receipt. Now, on to what you all came here for. Dun, ta, da, dun. So the box is now just empty with the stuffing, and it says thank you from the bottom of this box. Ha! That's funny. Okay, so this is the bag, and it says used is the new. I like that. Wow. Fashionphile dust bag, and I can already feel my bag. Smells like leather. So they put it in their own dust bag because this bag didn't come with any dust bag. And I got this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So they packaged it wrongly because these ears are a mess. Oh my god, but it's so freaking yummy. So I got this brand new to me Celine Chapuisat bag. Oh my god, it's perfect, and the leather is so soft. Oh my god, it's so nice. Fashionphile have such a good what do I call it, like quality measuring system. And what they do is, let me just put it there, I don't know if you can see it. And what they do is they either say it's excellent, which means it's brand new, maybe even comes with the box and the dust bag and all that. Then they have excellent, they have very good, then they have good, then I think they have poor or something. This was listed as very good. They undersold it. This is perfect. This is literally, oh my god, it's literally perfect. Like there are no scuffings, especially at the bottom. That's why I look at when I'm buying secondhand stuff. Like I want to see if, you know, this is scuffed because it doesn't have any feet in it. But clearly, oh my god, hashtag old Celine. Oh my goodness. And it comes with a strap, which is very important to me because I can wear this crossbody or on my shoulder, and if I don't want, I'll just take it off and then I wear it in the crook of my arm. Oh my god, this is, I could go on and on just saying how nice this is, but I'm so happy with my purchase. Oh my gosh. So you can either wear this bag in 2 styles. You can wear it like this with the you can wear it like this with the sides tucked in like that, or you can, for more space, you can open them up like that and wear it like so, which is I think how I will be wearing it, just with the sides peeking out. That is classic Celine. And it has this tag that says, let's just see what it says. Oh, it's a certificate of authenticity. It says this item has been inspected by a team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. This is the Celine drummed calf skin leather, and the sides is suede, and the size of the bag is medium, and it comes with a strap, so it tells you everything that it comes with. And then it says, once this tag has been removed, this item is yours. So remove the tag and the bag is yours. And this is just the thing. Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm still obsessed. I'm still obsessed. This is like, I wanted this bag for two reasons. I wanted it to be my work bag. Also, I wanted it to be my traveling bag. I normally travel with a never full, and to be honest, sometimes it's just too much for me. And when I like lock it, it has the clasp lock, and put it like in the overhead cabin, it's just like, I'm afraid things will pour out and things like that. But I wanted something like this, which I can hold here or comfortably on the shoulder or crossbody, so I can just reach into it very easily. So this is more like a luggage tote for me, and everyday work bag, because this can hold a laptop. This can hold a laptop, y'all. How gorgeous is this? It is leather inside. It is soft and so juicy. Oh my goodness, this feels so nice. I have owned a Celine trapeze before. I had it in the multicolor one. That's it was blue on the side flaps, and then it was, I believe, mustard on this, but it wasn't leather, it was all suede. So that used to scuff a lot, especially on the front. Like if you do this, you just see the markings. If you do that, you'll see the markings. But this is gorgeous because it's all leather where it matters, and then the side is what is suede. So oh my god, it's so perfect. So how do I carry this bag? You just move back. So I would either carry it and I'm wearing pajamas, sorry. So I would either carry it like this in the crook of my hand, or like this, or even crossbody, especially when I am traveling, like that. Okay, or tuck the sides in and then just carry it either like that on the crook of my hand, or again like so. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I love this bag. This is just as big as my so all in all, I love my purchase. Thank you so much, Fashionphile. It is in excellent condition, and I'm going to take care of it so that it stays as such. And I'm just going to cut this tag off because yeah, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Oh, and I think I feel the tag, like the authenticity code. Oh my god, she's lovely. She's so lovely. I love it. I love it. I love functional bags, and this is going to be a functional bag for me. Plus it's a pop of color, and I don't have any red bags in my collection, so I have a pop of color whenever I'm wearing my monochrome outfits. Oh, okay, so I will leave a link down below to Fashionphile. If you've never heard of the website, I will leave it linked down below, and you can shop the site. Also, I wanted to mention something else. Celine stopped making this bag, so the only place you can get it is the pre-loved market. And I really wanted Celine Trapeze bag. This is hashtag old Celine. I think I said that earlier. And I really wanted one of these, and I'm so glad I found it for such a reasonable price, because brand new these things were retailing for like $2,500. But now you can't even get them brand new because they stopped making them. Celine stopped making the Trapeze. So I'm so glad I have this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.